Have you been watching your health slowly decline? Every year there's a little bit more weight that won't budge, less energy to do anything about it, and the list of foods you can eat without paying for it later keeps shrinking. And if you're nodding right now, good. You're exactly who I made this video for. Now, I'm a clinical nutritionist, and these are my top 4 mistakes I see with my patients. Because here's what nobody tells you. If you get these wrong long enough, good health is really hard to get back. So today I'm handing you the fixes, and the first one you can start at dinner tonight. I'll also cover the most common habit quietly starving your good bacteria, the fiber trap that bloats you and is holding your health back, and the one thing you really can't out supplement, no matter how much you spend. Let's go. Mistake 1, eating the same things on repeat. This is the one that really surprises people, and it's such a simple fix. It's not that you're eating something bad a lot of the time, it's that you're eating the same things constantly, and even the healthy ones. So mix up your colors. One week, buy purple cabbage instead, or red potatoes, black beans. Then the next week, try multicolored quinoa, or black grapes, green tea, a different salad mix, different lettuces. And so why does this matter so much for your gut? Every different plant feeds a different little resident in your gut. Eating the same 20 foods on a loop, and you only feed the same small set of microbes, instead of the thousands of beneficial ones that our ancestors had keeping them healthy. And the rest of them just go hungry and then they die, especially the good gut bugs that are here to support you. And I mean real food, yeah? Not processed packaged food where the goodness is already stripped out, because your gut is a garden, and a varied garden is a resilient one. And that's what diversity really means. And it's what gives you better health all round. Now here's where it gets a little bit serious. And this is the part I really want you to hear. When you eat a restricted diet for years, what you starve long enough, you lose, along with the vital job that that species did for your body. So this is the nudge to stop eating like a machine and start eating for human health again. And I'm here to help you enjoy it. Our bodies were made to eat seasonally and a wide variety of whatever grew around us locally. One of the largest gut studies, stay with me, ever found people eating more than 30 different plants a week had far more diverse gut bacteria than those eating 10 or less. So here's my challenge for this week. Count your variety. The plants, the fruits, the spices, they all count. Tell me your numbers, drop them in the comment. Then add just one new food next week. Ideally something in season. It's also cheaper for you. And if you want a hand hitting the 30, I've made a free 30 plants a week tracker. It's got the food options as well. Links in the description. But variety only helps if it doesn't blow you up. And that's the next mistake. Because going too hard, too fast is exactly how people quit good food for good. Mistake 2, going too hard on fiber. So you've watched a health video, you get excited, and then on Monday morning you eat a giant salad and a bowl of beans. By the afternoon, you need stretchy pants. So you decide healthy biome boosting foods like beans isn't for you. This is actually what I do with my clients. We start small. 1 spoon of beans a day for a week, that's it. The next week, 2 spoons. The week after, we add more. Now also correctly preparing the beans is a lot of the battle. And I have a video on that and you can watch it after this one. Now always cook the veg and the beans properly, and you want them soft and well cooked, because that's going to be gentler than raw when your gut is already irritated. Slow and steady wins the game of gut health. Now about the bloating. Most of it is simply your gut bacteria doing the job. When your bacteria break down the fiber, they make a little gas. That's fermentation. That's normal. But you just need to build the bacteria numbers up so they can handle that load. Fiber is like going to the gym. You go from 0 to a 2-hour workout, of course the next day you're going to be wrecked. It doesn't mean exercise is bad, it's that you went too hard too soon, and your gut is exactly the same. So the fix isn't to quit, it's to build, and make sure you're prepping the beans correctly, because that will cause bloating and digestion pain. Which brings me to the next mistake that has nothing to do with food. And I hear this one every single day. Mistake 3, I don't have time. Look, I'll be gentle, but honest. It's usually a lie. It's a kind one, but it's a lie. I don't have time. Here's what fascinates me. The women who tell me this never miss a school pickup, they never miss a deadline, the kids always get new shoes, they go to the birthday parties, their partner's looked after, everyone's on the list except them. The time does exist, it's just not for you. So let me ask you something and sit with it. What's really holding you back from looking after your own health? Because it's really about time or money. Good health doesn't have to cost a ton of money. It's about making smarter choices. Underneath is almost always, I don't feel worth it. So who taught you to come last? Because I can hand you the perfect gut protocol, but if you don't believe you're worth 20 minutes a day to focus on yourself, no supplement on earth is gonna fix that. And you do deserve to feel good on the inside and then the outside. And then there's the other half, there's the waiting. Oh, when work comes down, when the kids get older, when life finally settles. But here's the harder truth. If you keep putting yourself last, you don't just stay the same, you'll arrive in your 40s, you're so depleted, you'll wake up exhausted every day, energy that won't lift without a triple espresso, and then the menopause transition is rough because it's landing on a body that's been running on empty for years. And I work with these women every day. It's just what happens when the one person you never make time for is you. So there's no better starting point than today. Just start small, but start. And once you do commit, here's where almost everyone trips up at the first time. Mistake 4, adding more when you actually need less. Yes, the instinct is to throw everything at it. More rules, more supplements, more restriction, all in one heroic Monday. Now, I'm a university trained clinical nutritionist, so I know exactly how powerful the right targeted supplement can be. This isn't me telling you that they're bad, but there is a sequence. Because here's the pattern I see again and again. People pile more on top of a gut and a body that's already overwhelmed, when what it's begging for is less. Less load, less reactivity, a break. I mean, think about it. You wouldn't keep training a strained muscle harder and expect it to heal. That's exactly what we do to our guts. More powders, more fibers, more rules on a system that's inflamed and exhausted, that just needs a rest. You can't supplement a body that never gets a break. It won't work. And that's why I've created a short 2 to 4 week low reactive meal plan. I built it for my private clients, but I've made it available for you here for anyone that doesn't want the cost of the one-on-one consults, but actually wants to turn their health around. So the links are below if you're ready to walk that line. So there it is, my most common mistakes I see. And here's the thing, you don't have to fix them all right now. Start with one, add a new food or a new color or a spoon of beans, one slower meal that you enjoy. That's it. Small steps done consistently is what quietly will turn your health around. Far more than a dramatic overhaul on a Monday. You've got this, I'm right here with you. If this video helped you understand your gut and yourself a little bit better, drop me a like or a comment. That one click helps me be here for you every single week. And here are the 2 videos that I promised you on prepping your food better so it nourishes you instead of bloats you. Until next time, love your guts.